Hello, and welcome to my review of Traffic Zest. This is a solo ad-style traffic provider where you pay per click. The cost typically ranges from around 25 cents up to $1 per click, depending on your targeting. As you can see, the platform is currently private and invite-only. If you need an invitation to join, you can find my link in the video description. After logging in, you'll see your main dashboard with a list of your traffic campaigns. I've run a few tests here, and as you can see, my balance is low, so I'll need to add more funds soon. Setting up a campaign is pretty simple. You just click Add New Campaign, give it a name, and enter your destination URL. If you use a tracking tool, you can add tracking parameters to your URL. The platform provides tokens for things like the click ID and the provider ID, which allows you to see exactly which sources are sending you traffic. To analyze this data, I use a tracking service called ClickerVault. By passing the provider ID from Traffic Zest into my tracking link, I can get a detailed breakdown of which providers sent clicks to my offer. Here in my ClickerVault report, you can see the individual providers from Traffic Zest. For example, this provider sent about 200 clicks, which resulted in 57 conversions, while another sent 150 clicks for 60 conversions. You can also see the platform owner, Vita V, sent 7 clicks, which led to 3 conversions. The conversion rate you get will depend heavily on your own opt-in page, but I typically see between 30 to 50% and sometimes as high as 70%. Of course, you have to remember that not all of these leads will be active, but overall, I find the traffic is worth the money. Back in the campaign setup, you have several targeting options. You can choose to allow or block specific traffic providers. You can also target by country, device type like desktop or smartphone, and by operating system. There are also traffic tags to refine your audience. You can select sources like email clicks, funnel clicks, Facebook ads, or YouTube description clicks. I personally like to use email clicks, funnel clicks, and mixed clicks, but I have not tested all of the available options yet. In the budget section, you set your maximum cost per click. Be aware that if you set your bid too low, you might not receive any traffic. For example, with these targeting settings, a bid of 20 cents is unlikely to get clicks. However, if I raise it to 25 cents, the system shows I can get at least 14 clicks per day. To add funds to your account, you can use a credit card or Wise. As you can see from my invoice history, I've been using this service regularly for some time. It can be a good strategy to set up a campaign with a lower bid, around 25 or 30 cents. You might not get traffic every single day, but when cheaper traffic becomes available, you'll be able to get those clicks at a lower price. If you're interested in trying Traffic Zest, check out the sign-up link in the description. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.